is made for swims. Oh, Makina, look at this leaf. It's so clear. Look, it's so clear. Clear and
It's about to rain and it's like 6:30. They're packing up to go home. This is all the Southeast Asian supermarket in FDR Park. Just went around. So people packing up. So okay. Packing up. Okay. Alright, let's go back. Some people already left. Some people are still packing up. Tomorrow they will open again Sunday. Today is Saturday, September 6th. Tomorrow is September 7th, and it's about to rain right now. So let's walk around here. It's gonna be a lot of work. Okay. When big car. Sugar cane. Got to pack up in the trailer. Talk. Some people have the tent and the cover around it so it won't get wet. Some people just have a tent and a table. Most food is here. They only take all the good stuff. There you go. Yeah. Grill cover, everything had to be covered. And this is, yeah, I think they're gonna leave it like this for tomorrow. So it's gonna be cover, and then tomorrow they will open again. It seems like a lot of work. So this looks like a little grill to cover up. Okay, well, it's over. And it's been almost 10 minutes. And okay, we're gonna go home now. So I guess everybody left. Well, most people packing up anyway. We didn't buy anything. We couldn't buy anything either. So we'll go. Okay. I think this is it. And the plan, I think they're gonna leave here because it's gonna rain tonight, and most plant they'll just leave here and they'll take the expensive one, and the pepper they'll just leave it here. Okay. Bye. Okay, see you maybe tomorrow. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Perfect. Okay.